Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by opening your Excel workbook and selecting the complete table range. Convert the selection into an actual table with Ctrl+T to preserve formatting and filters. Save the workbook in a clear folder and remember the file name and path for linking later. Use PowerPoint 2016 or later for consistent paste special options and link stability. Close any hidden windows and keep both files accessible on your local drive before switching to PowerPoint. In Excel, copy the table using Ctrl+C and then switch to your PowerPoint slide. Choose Home, Paste, then Paste Special, and select Paste Link as Microsoft Excel Worksheet object. That option creates a live connection and keeps Excel formatting intact when possible. If you prefer faster actions, right-click the slide and choose the link icon labeled Link Data or Keep Source Formatting to create the same linked object. Place the linked object and use the corner handles. When you need to update content, edit the source table in Excel and save the workbook to push changes. You can also double-click the linked object on the slide to open Excel for quick edits. To control links, open File, Info, and choose Edit Links to files to update, change source, or break the link. Breaking the link embeds data into the presentation and increases file size, while linking preserves a live connection and keeps the PowerPoint file smaller overall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.